Hello and welcome to my channel Malavika's Magic. Today I will show you how to play a new maths game which is developed in JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So let's click on start game button. This is a 2-player game. So we will have to put first player name first. So we will write Rahul and click on continue. Then the second player's name I will put Arav. So this is the question for Rahul. 15 nines are. So if they think this is a hard question, they can click on this reload button. This will refresh the question. 9 eights are 56. So we click on continue. 13 sevens are. Now let's put some wrong answer here and click on continue. 14 plus 11 is equal to 25. And we click on continue. 10 plus 18, 28. 19 minus 13. There is a negative thing also comes here. So you have to be alert. 19, 3, 6. 27 minus 5. This is minus 7. Let's click on continue. It's loading. Oh, that's a tie. The both are winners. Rahul scored 2 by 3 points and Arav scored 2 by 3 points. So these points are saved automatically. If you want, you can print them by clicking on this button. Like this. It's loading preview. And you will click on this print button, but I don't want to print it, so I'll click cancel. And this button as a refresh button, you can replay the game. Now let's check the previous winners. Okay, there was a tie. And if we click on this button, this will delete the scores. So I hope you like this game. If you like, please like, share and subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.